Jira Service Management has request types and issue types. When migrating to Jira Service Management, choose a default issue type that will be applied to all issues. And during the mapping step, you can set the request type for the issues type you have chosen. However, you can change the request type of issues in bulk. First, go to Jira Service Management. Then choose Filters. Under Filters, click on Search Issues. Search with the required filters to produce a list of issues. Note that you can bulk change the request type for issues of one project. Click the More Options button. Then select Bulk Change All Issues. Select the issues you'd like to perform the bulk operation on. Scroll to the very bottom of the page if there are many issues and click Next. Then choose the Edit Issues operation and click Next. Find Change Request Type and select the necessary type. Select a value for any required fields for this operation, and if available, decide whether you'd like to send email notifications. Hit Next and review your bulk operation. Now you can migrate a needed issue type.